this segment, we're going to do an outside underarm turn for the follower. So what we're going to actually do is come off the right side turn, gentlemen. So let's go ahead and get started. We're going to come toward the camera, all right? So ready, and slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow. Yes? All right, from here, we're going to take it this direction, all right? Ready, and slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow. Nice. It's a little tight coming forward and away from the camera, but you got it, right? Good. Now we're going to take it from a different angle. Start from this side. Ready, and slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow. Good. Now remember, I'm not forcing her to turn. She's turning herself. I just guide. Refer back to your private lesson style videos with that, okay? Here we go. And slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow. Nice. All right. So again, remember, you're not going to always look exactly what we're doing, okay? Just like it. You just want to kind of practice and get to that point, all right? So now for you, practice, 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 all right? And then come on back and get the next pattern.